Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a common mistake that is made when people install lawnmower blades. Now the blades with the center hole like this are the most common ones that people make the mistake with. I'm going to show you right away here in the video what it is. Now it's mostly on lawn tractors this happens, and here I've got some spindles, I have some blades. One's from an AYP machine, the other from MTD. They both have center star holes like this, which can seem quite similar. The AYP one over here is a 5-point star. The MTD here is a 6-star hole. So the most common mistake that I see people do when installing blades, especially on their lawn tractor or lawnmower with a star hole like this, is that they don't line them up properly on the star pattern on the spindle. And as you can see, the star pattern on the spindle is all squashed from the blades not being put on right. They shove the blade there, tighten up the nut, and it just basically presses the pattern. And if it's not totally flat, it's a bit damaged like this one, and then you cannot get the blade on. Now here's my MTD blade. These are all MTD spindles, by the way. And I'm going to show you how easily a new blade goes on to a good spindle with some good grooves. So the critical thing to do here when you're installing a blade is make sure the blade is flush down to the spindle and that you can clearly see the star pattern inside the blade. Now if I try to put it on the spindle here that is a bit damaged, you will see that it won't line up properly. Now the star pattern here is a bit squashed, that's why I cannot get the blade on. It is the correct blade for this spindle. And if you look at this one, well, it's totally gone. Now some people do make the mistake using the proper blade. Like I said earlier, they may not totally line it up. And then they go and put the nut on and tighten it up. Now the second mistake that people do is using the incorrect blade. Some people get mixed up between the AYP blades and the MTD blades because the star pattern looks the same. Although it's not the same, this is a 5-point star pattern as I mentioned. The MTD is a 6-point star pattern. So if you do the math, you'll see that it won't fit. And although it looks similar, as you can see here, it's not going to fit. There's just no way it's going to fit. So what some people do is they just go ahead, put the nut on, squash all the star pattern on the spindle, and then they end up with this. Now my best advice to prevent this from happening in the first place is make sure you're using the proper blade for your lawn tractor or lawnmower. Make sure it's totally lined up and flush with the star pattern like this, and then start the nut by hand and just finish it off with the proper wrench. And always make sure that the blade is going on nice and straight, not crooked. If it's crooked, it could be that it's off the star pattern. And if you're always careful installing your blades, there is absolutely no reason to end up with spindles like this. Now, if you end up with a spindle like this, sometimes you can just replace the shaft, like in this one here. Sometimes though it may be seized, the bolts may break in the spindle. So sometimes it's best just to replace the complete spindle. And also another thing that can cause damage to your spindles like this is if you hit something hard while you're cutting grass. If you hit a rock or a piece of wood or a stump or something, it may actually shear the star pattern on your spindle. You're better off to break just the spindle than some other major components. And also make sure to tighten up the nuts or the bolts nice and tight, because if the blades do get loose, it could damage the star pattern as well. And it doesn't hurt to use a bit of anti-seize to put on the threads. It'll make it easier to take off in the future. If you do use an impact to tighten up your bolts, you want to make sure that you don't over torque them. It's very easy with these powerful impacts to cause a lot of damage to the bolts or nuts. And here's one last look at the damaged spindles. And this one is the worst one over here. And again, here's the good spindle. So thanks again for watching, guys. Again, always make sure you get the correct blades to put on your tractor. If you get aftermarket blades, sometimes the pattern can be different. even though it's going to fit on a star pattern setup. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.